Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Being ACCA. This is Tushita Gupta, ACCA affiliate, bringing to you people the new changes. So a lot of students are now concerned, they are confused, they are unable to understand what ACCA exactly has changed with the announcement that was released just a few minutes ago. I'm recording this video at 5:30 Indian Standard Time. So I have come to the description box of the video that they have put out the changes in. So once you click on this link, this is what is going to open. So here I am going to go. I want to talk to you people about two things. Firstly, it's about the support timeline, like what exactly changes are there and when are these changes going to happen. So this is a very detailed calendar wise, you can say, कि कौन सा change कब हो रहा है, and at the same time they have explained that what will happen during that time frame. So presently we are standing on the 24th of June. So this is June 2025 where they've had this event where they are telling us that accountancy has been redefined. This is a new change in the qualification. Now what happens 2 months later, in the month of August, they are going to release the variant exams. So like we have presently the variant exams, like in taxation, we have different variants: UK, Ireland, Malaysia. These are all Pakistan, Hong Kong. These are all different variants that are there in the taxation paper. Similarly, you have variants in your SBR where you have UK, International, Ireland, and all of these versions. Then you also have variants in the law paper where one global version is available, UK version is available. So changes are going to be made and guidance for those changes will be released in the month of August 2025. So what happens to the future of these variant exams, we will get to know then. Exam timelines will be shared, कब exam होने वाला है, and at the same time they are also going to share with you people the support roadmap. Now changes are always difficult to adapt to, so to be able to change, to be able to adapt to this new thing which they are introducing, they will also be giving you guidance, and whatever changes are introduced by them, please rest assured all changes we are going to bring to you people, everything will be explained to you. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Right now it's not good to panic. Whatever changes will be there, firstly it's important to understand every change will apply to every student. You are not alone in this. Secondly, appropriate time will be given for you to be able to adjust to these changes. So you do not think that something will happen overnight, and what about your preparation, what about the exams that you have to give. Nothing bad is only going to happen specifically to you, and whatever changes that ACCA is doing, this is also for the betterment of you people only. Why? For all of us. Why do I say so? The world is constantly changing. We are closely seeing how climate change is affecting all countries across the world. Some countries more, some countries less. We see California fires, we see the global temperatures rising. Even I am sitting in Delhi right now. You see how hot the capital of India has become. So this is all the impact of climate change, right? It is hitting on us. So we should also be prepared as accountants, as auditors, as financial professionals. We should also be knowing how to deal with these issues when we deal with organizations, when organizations have to explain it to their stakeholders. What are they doing for the environment? How are they managing their carbon footprints? This is something that we need training of. So if ACCA is giving it to you, you should rather be thankful than questioning these changes, that why are you doing this? This is for our own benefit. Similarly, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT came in a few months ago. Then each and every passing time we are seeing the improvement in the artificial intelligence, and slowly it's going to take probably some of the common menial jobs that human beings do. Some of those jobs are going to get replaced. So it's very important, if you want to stay relevant in the industry today, you have to learn these skills. You have to be able to learn to how can we use this artificial intelligence in our business processes to make things faster, to make things more efficient, to make things more foolproof. So this is a very good step that they have taken, and all the changes changes. This web page also they have written, they are going to keep updating it. So have this as a bookmark on your page. Do not believe any random information whatever students from around the world are telling you. Always to fact check information. Even do not blindly trust our videos. Whatever you have to trust should come from the ACCA website directly. No third party information should be trusted by you people. Whatever I am telling you as a part of this video is also what we will be reading here, and also what I've heard in the video that was scheduled for 4:30 p.m. So August, we are going to get the guidance about what the future of the variant exams looks like. Then from the month of September, they are going to be holding global student webinars where they are going to talk about, they are going to, leave the floor open for you to ask questions about the qualification, what changes are there, how to deal with that, and they will be addressing your queries there. Now, talking about the month of November 2025, this is where foundation level as well as the knowledge level starts to see the changes. So your syllabus is valid till the time where, whatever time you have before that, till October, your previous syllabus is applicable. From the month of November 2025, we start receiving guidance, the new syllabus for the foundations paper as well as the knowledge level exams. So we will also be getting the information about the specimen exams. So because ACCA provides the specimen exams for all of these papers, new exams will also be available in the month of November 2025, as well as the essential employability module syllabus is going to be released. So whatever will be tested or will be taught to you in this module, that will also be released. Then examining team guidance, what exactly are they expecting, how to prepare for the paper. So you see, each and every change that they are bringing to the qualification, they are explaining it really nicely to you, because this is not to harm you, this is only to bring you benefit, to make ACCAs more employable, to make you stand out of the other qualifications, right? Then in the month of March 2026, we have the expertise and the professional exams guidance pack. So I think, this is my guess, that they have renamed the optional exams as the expertise exams. So this will include a new optional exam which will be about the data science professional. So like we have AFM, AAA, APM, all of these exams. Now we will have another exam to choose from, which could be the data science professional. Again, new syllabus will be released in March 2026 for all professional as well as optional exams. More information on your module, employability module. Specimen exams will be released now because they are changing the syllabus. So specimen exam also has to be released newly. And then examining team guidance to tell you what exactly are they expecting from you. Then in the month of January 2027, see, we are presently in the month of June 2025. They are so much ahead in the planning. In January 27, they are going to release what? The foundation and knowledge exams on the ACCA Study Hub practice platform as well as ACCA X. So new content will be available. You saw they will be changing the syllabus in November 2025. New content will be updated from January 2027. Obviously, this is common sense. Do not get confused. Do not worry. Only when the syllabus becomes available, only when the content becomes available, then only that syllabus will start to get tested after giving you a decent time to prepare. So no need to panic. No need to get scared. Okay. Moving ahead, in the month of March 2027, you are going to get your expertise and strategic professional exams, the optional papers as well as the professional level papers. They are going to be available on the Study Hub as well as the practice platform. So new content available for your practice, again to make you exam ready, to help you prepare for the changes that they are bringing in here. April 2027, what happens? Foundation and knowledge, they are going to release essential modules. Global webinars will be held. So you see, pre-launch support webinars, including the opportunity to ask questions to the ACCA team. So whatever is bothering you, you can ask. Even before launching, support will be given to you. So, the change cannot be as smooth than this, right? And then in the month of April 2027 itself, the exam entry is going to open for the new foundation and knowledge exams, which will commence from July 2027. So you see, such a big time frame for you to be able to adapt to these changes. Then June 2027 attempt will be the last attempt where the present structure of the qualification will be followed. All changes will start happening from June 2027 onwards, later than June 2027. So in the month of July 2027, we are going to have global student webinars about the professional and the optional papers. Then the foundation and knowledge exams will be available for you to sit on demand. So this will be the first opportunity to sit for these new syllabus papers from July 2027 onwards. So more roughly you can say you have 2 years since these changes actually come into the place. Then you will be given the opportunity to enter into September 2027 session. Like they were saying, June will be the last sitting. So after June, we have the September attempt. In September 2027 attempt, they are going to give you the opportunity to register for the new papers, the new professional level, the new optional papers. Then what they are still yet to confirm is when will the foundation and knowledge modules will be available. So let's stay tuned if there are any updates on that later. August 2027, the entry will close as the normal deadlines are. September 2027 attempt will be the very first attempt where new syllabus gets tested for professional and the optional papers. Then you are going to receive the result for your 2027 in the October 2027 September attempt result is going to be released. So let's also have a look at the revised structure. There's a very nice infographic that they have released. So basically they have renamed the skill level as the expertise level. So all of the changes that were applying to strategic, professional and expertise basically means your skill level. So this will be the change. Again, I'm telling you, you have so much time to adapt to this change. So do not worry, do not create any panic. Now, when it comes to your foundation level, which is even before the knowledge level. So if you are registering via the qualification route, this is not useful for you. And if you are registering with the qualification route, you are only supposed to appear for knowledge, expertise and strategic professional. In foundation, we have 3 exams: accounts preparation, management information, decision making with data. So this is for all those who do not come with an accountancy or a commerce background. Then talking about the knowledge level, this is where most of the commerce students begin their journey with. Earlier, we used to have 3 papers here: the business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting. So here, first paper they have made as financial accounting. Second, they have made as management accounting, and third one they have made as business law. So you can say more or less the syllabus of business and technology has been removed as a separate exam, but you will see somewhere or the other, whatever we study in BT is there in all these 3 exams in some capacity or the other. So not a very major change here, but yeah, knowledge level is now reduced to 3 papers. The business and technology BT paper separately has been removed. The law paper that we used to have earlier as a part of the skills level, it has now shifted to the knowledge level. Now coming to the second area, if you're a commerce student, the second level that you will have is the expertise level, which is a renaming of the skill level. So skill level will now be called as the expertise level from these changes apply. So first paper will be taxation. Second will be financial reporting. No changes still here. Next, you have audit, risk and control. You have the AA paper. Fourth is finance and investment. So this is supposed to be your FM paper renamed. And the last one is performance with data analysis. My guess is that this is PM paper renamed, right? So this is what the expertise level looks like, 5 papers. Then moving ahead to the strategic professional level, what all does it have in store? You have 2 fixed options, two fixed papers to appear for. S1 is business and sustainability reporting. So you can say this is a new name for the SBR paper. Second, you see the strategic business leader, no change. This is the SBL paper. And then within the optionals, we see, let me just zoom in a little bit. So within the optionals, we are able to see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 optionals. What are these optionals now? SAA is the Audit and Assurance Professional paper. So this is the AAA exam. Corporate Finance Professional. So probably this is a renaming of the AFM paper. Majorly the objectives are going to remain more or less the same. Then you have the Data Science Professional, as they had told us earlier that they are adding one more optional paper to choose from. So this will help you become a data science expert, right? Then the next paper that you have the option for is the Performance and Insights Professional. I am guessing this is the APM paper, and the Taxation Advisory Professional. So this is your ATX paper renamed to make it look more fancy. I hope the syllabus and pattern is also updated in a manner that it actually helps us ACCA students become advisory professionals. Now, there is just one thing which I would like to correct myself upon, since I have also read through this revised structure with you people. Here, I introduced you people to Expertise in Strategic Professional Levels Guidance Pack. So this will not just include the professional level papers, including the optionals, but Expertise is nothing but the new name for the skill level. So skill level and professional level, new material, new syllabus, new exams. The guidance from the examining team will start coming from March 26, and the sequence will keep on following. The March 2027 will see these materials coming to us on the study hub, on the practice platform, and then ultimately from September attempt of 2027, we will be sitting for these new versions of the exams. Now, as and when this timeline is followed and new information becomes available, you are going to find all information on Being ACCA's YouTube channel. I give you a promise for that. Not a single information you will miss out on. So I would just request you all, whoever wants to get these updates on a timely basis, ensure that you people subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ensure that you have followed us on Instagram, because we keep posting updates as and when even we get to know about them. So we try to bring these updates to you to keep you up to date with your qualification. Just ensure that you do not panic. There is nothing to worry about. Everything will be taken care of. You can always reach out to us in case you have any queries, any concerns, but do not be scared. Every change that ACCA has done is indeed in our favor. There is no obstacle in your journey. In fact, with this change, your job hunt process will also be easier. This is the objective why they are doing so. So I personally really like these changes made by ACCA. If you have any queries, do feel free to leave a comment down below. You can also DM us on Instagram. We reply to all the messages. I wish you people all the very best, and let's hope ACCA becomes the global recognized qualification that it is in an even better zone right now. So let's hope for the best. Bye-bye.